Reading a DenMat accounting statement. Reading the DenMat accounting statement may appear difficult at first, but with a little explanation, we hope to shed some light on the process. First, it is important to know that the invoice is a two-column debit-credit invoice statement. These two columns are labeled amount, or the amount due, or debit, and payment, the payment that was paid, or credit. Whenever a payment is made to DenMat, it credits your account. Whenever a purchase or order is made from DenMat, a debit is made to your account. If there's an amount adjustment or credit, these will appear in the payment or credit column. All amounts must equal all payments. If they don't, the entry is out of balance. Let's define some of the reference abbreviations you will see on the statement. The ORD reference means that an order was placed with DenMat. The PAY or pay means that a payment was made to DenMat, crediting the account, and it is shown in the credit column. The CR means that a credit concession coupon discount was made to the account. The ADJ means an adjustment was made to the account and a transfer of funds from one invoice to another was made. Let's look at an invoice and go over each field in detail. The TRAN date, or transaction date, is the date in which a purchase or order was made, a payment was made, a credit was applied, or an adjustment was applied to the account. The invoice number, or reference number, is a reference to any transaction to the account. Think of the reference number as synonymous to order number. You will notice that a very brief explanation of the transaction is indicated with the 2 or 3 letter code that we defined above. Either ORD, or PAY, or CR, or ADJ. The amount column indicates the dollar amount of a transaction when an order has been placed and charged to the account. The payment column will show any payment, credit, or adjustment to the account. If there is a difference between a purchase and a payment, then there is an outstanding balance to the account. This can be a credit to the account or an amount due. The comment section shows the patient's name, an internal code, and if a payment references an invoice number. For instance, RT indicates that there was a return and CD a credit of $800 to the account. The 3100 is a DenMat internal code specified for accounting tracking. If we look in the comment section of the invoice on the next line down, you will see that a return and credit of $800 was credited to the account. An adjustment of $634.74, and the amount transferred to a new invoice number of 606008 indicated by the T, and this was transferred from invoice 588021. This left a balance of $165.26. The credit of $800 may have been a coupon that was applied to the case. The balance column shows what invoice currently has a balance open after payments and adjustments have been applied. You will notice that the bottom of this column has a total balance due. This is after all charges, credits, and adjustments have been made. The bottom of the invoice totals all charges that were made to the account during the billing cycle, all credits and deductions that were given, and all payments that were received during the billing cycle. In addition, there is a brief description of the account payment status if it is 30, 60, or 90 days overdue, including the current balance. We hope that this explanation of how to read a DenMat invoice statement will help you in your future account reconciliations. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to call your one-call customer service representative for more assistance. Thank you.